Good morning slash almost afternoon. So I woke up today and I was like, I have to be productive and I really want to clean. I cleaned yesterday, so like I went to bed with clean kitchen and living room and it felt really good. Just have so much more clarity when your house is clean, right? It just is so good. And then I woke up to a video today that was like 7 ways to keep your home like this, and I was just like, all right, I'm done. I'm about this baby's coming into this world and she's gonna learn from her mom how to put things away and how to stay organized, and hopefully this inspires you to clean too. I love watching cleaning videos. And if you are not familiar with my channel, I do have a couple KonMari style cleaning videos, but my channel is not a cleaning channel. I have a lot of other things on there, so FYI, make sure you check out my channel first. I'm looking a little crusty, and so is this area. So I'm gonna go and get myself put together a little bit, and then we will get right to it. I will see you in a little bit. All right, so I'm somewhat put together here. First thing I'm going to do, open the blinds and make my bed. Sorry, I have that vitamin C in my mouth. So that's the first step, yeah, making the bed, always. So now that I've made the bed, that is my pregnancy pillow. Don't be alarmed. We're gonna use this to put all the clothes, lay them all out. And as you might be familiar with KonMari, she wants everyone to take all of their items and put them in a pile and go piece by piece what you want. I mean, what brings you joy, keep. Things that are old or ripped or broken, throw away, and everything else, give away. So I'm gonna go through everything, and then I've already kind of been doing this, so I won't probably have too much to give away, but I'm sure I will. How's it? Dressers. Okay, so in my closet, as of now, I freed up that much space, took all those out, and this is my little pile of what I'm giving away. And the baby clothes I'm going to put away, and that sweater I am going to fold. And I'm also going to box away some of the summer like sandals and stuff, because I should be leaving before spring, so it's pointless. I'll probably leave one pair of flip-flops in case like it's a warm day and I just need them. Okay, so I have a bag of some garbage here. And some of the shoes that I'm packing are gonna go right there in here. This basket, I'm pretty sure all of it I'm giving away. Like, this is just stuff. It just sits there. It's like so stupid. Okay, so I have a free basket now to do whatever I want with it and store stuff that I actually need. The only thing I kept from the basket is this, which I really don't want to keep, but it's from my bachelorette weekend. We all had matching like PJs, Marilyn Monroe. So it's just a memory, and I really just don't want to, I just would feel bad getting rid of that, you know? And then some thermal leggings. Yeah, a free basket for storage. Maybe I could put some shoes in there. Okay, so typically storage is like that. You would put up on shelving, but because I'm pregnant and we're moving, like I said, I don't want to be reaching for that if I really do need it. And I guess this is just helpful for me to organize. Like, my bags never really had a place. Some of my purses and shoes that I'm not wearing right now in here. I just have to get rid of one pair of boots up there. So now I'm going to take out everything in my drawers over there and on that side. That one's my husband's. I'm not touching it. So getting rid of, pulling everything out of there and do the same exact thing. All of this was in the top drawer. A lot of unnecessary things. I need to go through it. I know a lot of these products I'm getting rid of. Yeah. Okay, so now the drawer is organized. Got rid of a lot of the products. This is just some of the stuff that I may use at night or may not use, and these are products that for traveling or stuff I haven't tried yet. And my pearls, my gloves, long socks and compression socks, one pair of fuzzies, 2 different types of black socks. You can tell I wear only black socks pretty much. Underwear and some bras. And that is that. I used to put PJs up here too, but I'm going to limit that. Top drawer. This little pile is everything that was in that drawer. And also, all of this was sitting on my bed. So I'm going to put that in there and figure it out. Okay, so this is the shirt drawer. We have some extra room. And now we have the pants, jeans, and leggings. And basically that's what you do with all your drawers. So I'm going to finish up and I will show you the finished result of everything. This is the bag of garbage, stuff that's just really worn out and not useful to anyone. I did pack a couple things, jeans that are not maternity, and some sandals. Here is what I'm giving away, on top of a ton of other stuff from the other room. And that is it. Okay, so the only thing I have left to do is vacuum the floor, and honestly, I'm so tired. I can't overwork myself right now. So this is gonna be mainly a decluttering video. Yeah, I'm pretty happy. Here it is. Everything's much more tidy. So tired, I need to lay down. All right, love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Have fun cleaning your bedrooms and houses.